In binomial distribution, we have learned how to expand the formula of the binomial distribution and how we can calculate the expansion of the binomial distribution is over there. If any of the event is repeating so many times, then also we can calculate the expected frequency related to this. In today's video also we are having some important question related to the binomial distribution. In this video we will having 3 questions related to the binomial distribution which will be helpful for you to understand how to calculate the question of the binomial distribution. The very first question, which is very important questions, so many times I have seen in examinations, that is, the question is this: 1024 investor, number of how many? 1024 researchers go to the rural areas to get the research. How many persons are seeing a TV serial कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Each of the investigator asked by the 10 persons that whether you will see this serial or not. Then calculate how many investigator will report that 3 or less than 3 persons are watching this serial कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. So R value is 3, 2, 1 and 0. Again, first time I am repeating the question. For a research, 1024 researchers go to the rural areas to now how many persons are watching a serial कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. Each of the investigator asked with the 10% whether you see this serial or not. So probability of saying yes, that is 1 by 2, and probability is saying no, that is also 1 by 2, because the answer will be in yes or no. So that there are 2 probability. Yes may be one answer, no may be second answer. So how many investigator will report that 3 and less than 3 persons are watching this serial? So here 10C3 P raised to power 3 Q raised to power 10 minus 3, that is 7. 10C2 P raised to power 2 Q raised to power 8. 10C1 P raised to power 1 Q raised to power 9, and 10C0 P raised to power 0 Q raised to power 10. And this repeated 1024. How many reporters was there? There are 1024 reporters was there. Each of the reporters was asking with the 10% whether you are seeing this कौन बनेगा करोड़पति or not. So answer are 2, yes or no. So the probability of getting yes, that is 1 by 2. Probability of getting no, that is 1 by 2. How many reporters will report that 3 and less than 3 persons are watching this serial? So 3, 2, 1, 0. So 1024, 10 multiply 9 multiply 8, 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, 1 by 2 raised to power 3, 1 by 2 raised to power 7, and 10 multiply 9 upon 1 multiply 2, 1 by 2 raised to power 2, 1 by 2 raised to power 8, then 10 divided by 1, 1 by 2 raised to power 1, 1 by 2 raised to power 9, and this is 1 by 2 raised to power 0 and 1 by 2 raised to power 10. So the total number of report will be in this condition we are having in this condition. Okay. So that is 1024. 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. Okay. So here we are having, this is 4 times or 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 2 4 is. So that is 120 divided by 2 raised to power 10 plus 45 divided by 2 raised to power 10. We are having okay. That is 120, 1 by 2 raised to power 10. Then 45, 1 by 2 raised to power 8 or 2, 10. 10, 1 by 2 raised to power 9 and 1, 10. and 1 by 2 raised to power 10. Okay. So 1024, that is 1 by 20, 1024 plus 45 divided by 1024 plus 10 divided by 1024 plus 1 divided by 10. So here we are having LCM of 1024, that is 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1, and this is 124. So having 1024 multiply 120 plus 45 plus 11, that is 176. 176 upon 10 to 4, cutting this. So 176 reporter will say that 3 or less than 3 persons are watching this serial. Okay. So this is very important question. So many times I have seen the same question in the examinations. So the answer will be 176. It's very important. If the question are asking how many reporters will say that 8 or more than 8 persons are watching this serial. Okay. So if we are asking 8 or more than 8, 8, 9 and 10. Each of the reporters are asking with 10%, how many reporters will report that 8 or more than 8 persons are watching this serial. So that's 10C 8, P raised to power 8, Q raised to power 2, then 10C 9, P raised to power 9, Q raised to power 1, and then 10C 10, P raised to power 10, Q raised to power 0, and this, how many reporters is over there? 1024. So 1024, that is 10 multiply 9, 1 multiply 2, and 1 by 2 raised to power 8, 1 by 2 raised to power 2, plus 10 upon 1, 1 by 2 raised to power 9, 1 by 2 raised to power 0, and 10C10 is 1, 1 by 2 raised to power 10, and 1 by 2 raised to power 0, that is value is 1. So this is 5 times. So 1024, here will be 45 divided by 1024, then 10 divided by 1024, then 1 divided by 1024. So we are getting the LCM of this. So 1024, 45 plus 10, 55 plus 1, 56 upon 20. So having 1024 multiply by 56 upon 1024. So 56 reporter will say that 8 or more than 8 person are watching this serial Kaun Banega Crorepati. Okay. If another one question, how many reporter will say that no one is seeing this serial? How many reporter will report that no one is seeing this serial at all? Okay. So that is 10C0, P raised to power 0, Q raised to power 10, and this repetition is 1024. So 1024 multiply 1 by 2 raised to power 0, multiply 1 by 2 raised to power 10. So that is 1024 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1024. So that is 1. Only one reporter will report that none of the person are watching this serial in rural areas. So this type of the question also related to the binomial distribution. We are having another one question of the binomial distribution. One more question related to the binomial distribution on your blackboard. In a incidence of occupational disease and industries of the worker is 20% chance. In a factory, there are 20% chance that a person will having the disease, and 80% chance there will be no disease. In a factory, there are 20% chance there the worker have the disease related to the factory. Okay. What is the probability? Up to 6. 4 or more than will be having digits. We have to calculate the probability of getting 4 or more than 4 labor have the digits. Againly I am repeating the question. In a factory, there is a 20% chance that the worker will having the digits due to the working in the factory. If we are taking 6 workers in a research, get the probability that 4 or more will be having the digits over there. Okay. So getting the digits, the probability of getting the digits, that is 1 by 5, or not getting the digits, that is 4 upon 5. We have to calculate 4 or more, so the R will be, the value of R will be 4, 5 and 6. There may be 4, there may be 5 and there may be 6 persons suffering from the digits is over there. Again, in a factory, there is a chance of having factory related disease in the workers is 20%. It means their 1 by 5 chance is to having the disease and 80% chance is not having the disease. If we are taking 6 workers in a research, get the probability that 4 or more persons are having the disease. So we are having 4, 5 and 6. So that is 6C4 P raised to power 4 Q raised to power 2, 6C5 P raised to power 5 Q raised to power 1 and 6C6 P raised to power 6 Q raised to power 0. Or is over there, so we will use plus. So that is 6 multiply 5, 1 multiply 2, 1 by 5 raised to power 4 and 4 by 5 raised to power 2. 6 divided by 1, 1 by 5 raised to power 5 and 4 by 5 raised to power 1. 6 is 6, that is 1. 1 by 5 raised to power 6 and 4 by 5 raised to power 0. Okay. So that is 15 multiply 4 raised to power 2 upon 5 raised to power 6. Then 6 multiply 4 upon 5 raised to power 6. Then 1 upon 5 raised to power 6. Here listen this. 2 3 is 6. So 3 5 is 15 and this is 4 raised to power 2 divided by 5 raised to power 4 and 5 raised to power 2, that is 5 raised to power 6. Here 6 and 4 5 raised to power 6 and that one 5 only 1 upon 5 raised to power 6. Okay. So we will having 15 multiplied by 16 upon 3125 plus 24 upon 3125 plus 1 upon 3125, because 5 raised to power 6 is equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, 6 times 5. So 25 multiply 25 multiply 25, this 625 multiplied by 25, that is 3125. So we are having so 3125, first one 240 plus 24 plus 1. The probability is 265 upon 3125. So the probability of having 4 and more workers suffering from the disease is 265 divided by 3125. So in this manner we can calculate the binomial distribution is over there. One more question we will discuss in the binomial distribution. It's very interesting and topic is over there. So we are having, suppose a farmer bought some seeds in his field. One more question related to the binomial distribution. It has experienced that a farmer that 1/4 of the number of seeds sowed by him is bed are destroyed. Okay. 1/4 is destroyed. The probability of getting the destroy is 1/4. Okay. What is farmer is saying? That how the seeds which he sow, 1/4 is destroy and 3/4 have cultivated. What the question is? A farmer have the experience that the seeds which he bow, 1/4 of them is destroy and 3/4 of them is having utilized, becoming a I should say tree or etc. He saw 5120 number of items. Okay, repeating the question. एक farmer has experienced that 1/4 of the number of seeds sown by him is bad and destroyed. The farmer prepared 5120 seeds beds and in each seed beds he sowed 5 seeds. हर क्यारी में वह 5 बीज बोता है. कितने उसको पता है. He know that 1/4 will destroy, 3/4 will be having cultivated. He have get 5120 number of carriage and in every he seeds he bow 5 seeds. That then get number of all 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. We are to calculate the number of flower buds in which all 5 will having. Number of flower buds in which only 4 will having. Number of flower buds which have only 3 seeds is over there. So the very first total formula is NP plus Q raised to power small n. So 5120. First one 5C 5P raised to power 5 Q raised to power 0. All 5 seeds cultivated. So 5120 multiply 1 by 4 raised to power. Okay. We are to see the number of seeds which we calculated and not having. Okay, this P related to the destroy seeds and Q is cultivated. P refer to the cultivated. Okay. So this is 0 cultivated. R is equal to 0. Cultivated is 0. So we are having all will destroy. Here first one R is equal to 5, it means all destroy. All destroy. 5 to 5 is destroy, no one is cultivating. So 1 by 4 raised to power 5, 3, 4 by 2. So 5120 multiply 1 by 4 raised to power 5. 1 by 4, 1 bar, 1 times, 2 times, 4 times, 5 times. 1024. Multiply this. So 5 total 5 flower buds will related to this which haven't any cultivation is over there. All 5 seeds will destroy. Okay. So the very first we have calculated how many flower buds will having no cultivation is over there. All 5 is destroy because this is the symbol of destroy. Okay. 4 destroy. So 5120. 5C 4 destroy. P raised to power 4, Q raised to power 1. So 5120 multiply 1 by 4 raised to power 4 and 3 by 4 raised to power 0. So that will be 5120 multiply 3 upon 1024. So 5 times is over there. So 15 flower buds is over there, in which 4 will get destroyed. First one is 5, second one is 75. Second one will be 75. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Second one will be 75. Againly I am asking. Againly we are having first one. Firstly you should learn This is the probability of destroy, this is probability of non-destroy is over there. So it means 5C5, P5 it means all destroy, no cultivation, and that is 5120. So that is 5120 multiply 1 by 4 raised to power 5 multiply 3 by 4 multiply 0. So we have already calculated this is 5. So here all are destroy, 4 destroy. So 5120 5C4 P raised to power 4 Q1 is cultivation. So that is 5120 multiply 5 upon 1, 1 by 4 raised to power 4 and 3 by 4 raised to power 1. So the calculation is 5120 multiply by 5 multiply by 3 divided by 1204. So that is 75. It means among 5120, 5 will destroy all, 75 will having 4 destroy seeds is over there. 3 destroy will be over there. So that is 5120 multiply 5C3 P raised to power 3 Q raised to power 2. So that is 5120 multiply 5 multiply 4, 1 multiply 2, 1 by 4 raised to power 3 and 3 by 4 raised to power 2. So the calculation is 5120 multiply by 10 multiply 3 3 is 9 divided 124. So that is 450. It means all 5 number of expected, that is 5. 4 destroy, that is 75. 3 destroy, that is 450. Number of 3 destroy, that is 450. Okay. Now 2 destroy, calculation of 2 will destroy. So R is equal to 2. The calculation is R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. So then 5120 5C2 P raised to power 2 Q raised to power 3. So 5120 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 1 multiply 2. 1 by 4 raised to power 2, 3 by 4 raised to power 3. So 5120 multiply 10 multiply 1 by 16 multiply 27 upon 64. So 5120 multiply 10 multiply 27 divided 10 this 5 times. So 270 multiply by 5. So 1350 flower buds have to destroy. It means 3 to destroy 1350. It means this have 0 cultivation, this have 1 cultivation, 75 have 1 cultivation, 450 have 2 cultivation, 135 have 4 cultivation, 3 cultivation, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now getting 1 destroy, if we will calculate 1 destroy, so the R is equal to 1. So we are having 5120 5C1 P raised to power 1 Q raised to power 4. So 5120 multiply 5 multiply 1 by 4 raised to power 1 3 by 4 raised to power 4. So 5120 multiply 5 multiply 3 raised to power 4 upon this 5 times. So 25 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 raised to power 4. 81 multiply 25, that is 2025. So 1 destroyed, 2025, and last one 0 destroyed. So value of R will be 0. So value of R will be 0. So that will be 5120 5C0 P raised to power 0 Q raised to power 5. That is 5120 multiply 1 multiply 3 raised to power 5 upon 124. This is 5 times So 5 multiply 243. 3 raised to power 5. Multiply by 5. That is 1215. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 5. Now we can calculate all these. So we are having a farmer is buying 5 seeds in each flower bud. So number of expectation of destroy, that is expected number of destroy, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to 5. Expected frequency. 0 destroy, that is 1, 2, 1, 5. 1 destroy, that is 2, 0, 2, 5. 2 destroy, that is 1, 3, 5, 0. 3 destroy, that is 1, 5, 0. 4 destroy, that is 75, and 5 have all 5 destroy. If we will total getting this 5120. So in this manner also we are having the question related to the binomial distribution is over there. So if any kind of the question related to the binomial distribution is over there, with the help of this video you may be able to solve this question. So I think this video will be helpful for you to calculate binomial distribution question. In our next video we will having some constant value, how we can calculate the constant value with the help of the binomial distribution. We will learn in our next video. Thank you very much.